In this video, it'll be cleaning and prepping the car. So, got the Karcher. Gonna go around the car, canopies, and the tray. Not the engine bay. Do not spray the engine bay with the Karcher. Gonna spray everything down to clean it, and then get it started to prep. So that'll be in this video. So now that it's all washed with the Karcher, sprayed with the Karcher, next we'll be taping up everything that we don't want sprayed and using the prep wash to get all the grime and shit off. Tray. I'd sprayed the trays and the canopies off camera. I kind of forgot to record that part, but yeah. So yeah, everything's been washed with the Karcher. Now it's just a matter of taping up and starting to sand down and then spray paint, hopefully in the next day or so. So Court actually forgets to talk to the camera here, so this is where she's actually taking all the rubbers off the door, like the doors. Tape all these up. I forgot to record that part. So yeah, gonna take all the window seals, but we're not taking the door seals off. It's a lot of work, and you need a glue and everything. It's like we'll just cover it because we're doing the door jambs as well, but we'll just cover that. So yeah, we'll show the last one.
There's like
a bit dusty, was it, babe?
Yeah. There's these little clips. Some over here. See?
Show the people.
See those holes?
Yeah.
No, not that hole. This. Like there's a. Oh, you can't really.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it on the camera.
It's a line.
Yeah.
So you gotta try and get the. There's like a little lip that you gotta try and get this off with.
Yep.
Without snapping it.
And that one there.
Probably easier with the door jambs off, the door trims off, but you know, it's harder to do.
Probably easier, but it's harder. What? Great English, man.
Yeah, because it's called child lock. Alright. Now take these off. We're going to pry them out of the sill.
So it looks like we're being rough, but you kind of have to. But it's actually really easy, and they just slide out. Except for this part. Around this window is very complicated, so we're just gonna, when spraying, move it to the side as we're spraying, so we can still get in there, but not take that part off, because, as I said, very complicated. We're not going to do it. If you need to do it, I'm sure there'd be another video on YouTube that you can have a look. But yeah, complicated. So with the other part, we're just gonna tape it like we did with the door handles. Other bits and pieces will be taped as well in the video. I'm gonna use a big trash bag to cover the engine bay, because none of the engine bay will be painted. The only thing that is getting painted is this part along here. No point doing in here either, because the fender actually sits in here, like in this groove, the top of the fender. So just really this part that's getting done, that's it. Just this part. So a bit overkill to cover the whole engine bay, but we thought might as well. Did forget to mention, if you're wondering why there's purple here, my little one, Jensen, in the last video, got to the paint while we were not paying attention and decided to paint the car. It doesn't matter, he didn't get anything important, and everything that he did get gets covered anyways. The aircon don't work, so even that don't really matter. Eventually we'll be replacing the aircon. Now I'm just going to cover the back window. All the front is basically done. Like that, all the window is covered. Pulling this cord out next. I ended up doing it off camera. Just taping up the doors to make sure that we don't spray inside the doors, even though we're not spraying today just yet. We're just prepping. Got a new plan. We're going to spray the cab today. So sand and spray the cab today, so that'll be this video. Instead of doing like sanding everything and then spraying tomorrow, we're gonna spray the cab today and hopefully the fenders as well. So I'll get started spraying very soon. Obviously you need to prep wash. We will be prep washing next. Say hi. No? She's just finishing sanding that part. And Zach. Say hi, Zach.
Hi.
That wasn't very enthusiastic. He's just
I like to be on camera.
Just finishing sanding on the bottom. So everything's sanded. Just gonna start prep washing now while Court finishes the other side. And now just priming all the bare metal. I'm recording, guys. So just priming all the bare metal at the moment. Once that dries, we'll get stuck into the TXT spray. With it all prepped, everything is prepped, and we've got a makeshift door with just two tabs zip tied together, and it's all primed. It's almost ready to start TXT spray. So we have the purple. We have the tintable one and the black one. The black one will be for the accessories in the next video. The purple one will be for the cab and bits and pieces. So we've done it a little while, and it just comes out like a piece of shit. Honestly, we've even thinned it, everything. It doesn't say to thin it. It says to put part A and B together, and then it should come out fine. I've adjusted the air. I've put thinners in it, and it's coming out. Well, actually, like that. That's how it is. That's us doing it over and over again. And then it also says you could roll it, and it comes out looking like this, which is very thin, very thin. So we are wasting this bottle, and I'm taking the whole lot of TXT back to them, and I'm just gonna get Raptor spray. TXT spray is fucking shit, and I'm sorry to swear, but to emphasize, I do not like it. I sprayed a whole car in Raptor spray with no issues at all. Oh, and to make things better, the gun that it came with broke immediately. It just stopped working. No air coming through it. That's the Raptor gun spray from like 3 years ago, and it worked better. So that broke within, what, 5 minutes of using it? Yeah? About 5 minutes of using it, just stopped working. And, like, don't know why. So yeah.